How y'all doing? It's your boy Jay Hernandez, and we have a sneaker here that I think you guys are going to enjoy. I'm pretty sure this is going to be one of those sneakers that won't resell for much because of the name, which is crazy. I feel like this year and maybe a little bit of last year, Nike has been kind of trolling resellers and customers at the same time, bro, because they have been dropping some pretty crazy sneakers that you guys, like a lot of people, including myself, overlook. And just by changing the name puts a dent into the hype and into the resale market, which is hilarious to me. These haven't released yet, guys. These have not released. They have released overseas, but not in the United States. My bad. In the United States, they have not released. But anyway, this is a sneaker that I feel that if they put 3 letters onto this sneaker, that it would be a instant sellout. I think. I mean, I know for sure it's gonna sell out whenever they release. But the resale market is catering towards the consumer, and it's funny because once it caters towards the consumer, only the people that really want the shoe will buy it. But it's not like a hot item. It's not gonna be a hot item, or who knows, it might be. You guys let me know in the comments if you think these things are going to do crazy numbers. Enough talking, I need to get into the shoe. I just want to say thanks to everybody that's been watching the videos and staying patient with me. I'm not a channel that makes content every day. I just kind of, whenever I can afford something or whenever I have time to put something together, I'll do it for you guys. So if you guys want to subscribe to the channel, that's cool. If you guys don't want to waste time or whatever, I don't know. If you don't want to subscribe, that's cool too. It's just pretty much up to you. I just want to let you know that I don't make content every single day. Every once in a while, just whenever I feel like dropping something or whatever I could afford early for you guys, I will really drop a video and whatever. But yeah, so if you guys want to subscribe, go ahead. But I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers that have been subscribing. Most people that watch these videos will not subscribe for whatever reason. Take a look at the size tag, guys. I did go true to size. I recommend you go true to size in these sneakers. I went with a men's size 9, which is my true to size, and I feel like these Nike Dunk highs fit true to size. The colorway is laser blue white. What can I say, man? This is gonna be one of those sneakers that due to the fact that it's not getting the hype name, and you guys should know what name that should be. Obviously the UNC. The UNC is like it automatically gets resellers rubbing their hands together, right? And by resellers, guys, I'm not like calling them out. It's nothing bad. It's nothing personal. I'm a reseller myself. I think we've all have resold sneakers. It don't matter if you buy the sneaker and you sell it for less than what you got it for, or you sell it to a buddy for what you got it for. That's still technically reselling sneakers. So I think that if you have been in the sneaker community long enough, almost everybody's a freaking reseller. So I'm not targeting nobody or no group, so don't feel targeted. But what I'm trying to say is that, you know, the top resellers, I'd say like the top tier guys that buy a bunch of bulk pairs, and you know, well, who knows, man. I feel like this is going to be one that they're going to buy in bulk and then sell later on for a lot of money. I feel like if these had the UNC name to them, I feel like this shoe would be going nuts right now. If there was rumors that these are going to be called the UNC Dunk highs, I feel like resale value would have been going crazy for these, but no, it's not. Actually, you could pick these up right now on the GOAT app for maybe like $50 over retail, or maybe on StockX as well. So that's nothing compared to what we were seeing in 2021, and everybody was complaining, and now nobody's really picking these shoes up. They did the, what was it, the Game Royals and the Dunk High, and that's actually the Kentucky colorway. Since they called it a Game Royal, nobody really went crazy for them, as well as the St. John highs. I know that it might be a different, like a small difference in the shade of color, but it's still almost, it's pretty much the same thing, man. You know what I mean? But anyway, man, let's open these up. Y'all let me know what you think about these. I think this is a dope shoe. I might not need this shoe. I don't know. Should I give it away at 3,000 subs? Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we do with this shoe, man. I don't need this shoe because I do have a couple colorways, the same color blocking on, you know, some Jordan 1 models. So anyway, shall we? Boom, 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 boom. Here they are, and I'm gonna show you guys. I have to show you guys my Jordan 1 UNC, so we could kind of see if the colors are identical, because this looks like UNC colors, bro. Like, this does not, I expected to see a different color, and I don't see no difference in color, bro. There is all this stuff, and of course you're gonna get this, the GOAT stuff. they're not giving me no money, so why am I gonna give them so much promotion? So don't ask me where I got them from, because you just saw where I got them from. So hopefully you're paying attention. I'm not gonna answer nobody in the comments if they ask me where I got them from, because I just showed you. And if you were to watch the full video like a true subscriber, you would know. But here they are, guys, and dude, I gotta get these. All right, hold on, give me 1 second. Let me grab my pairs that are in the same color blocking. Dude, this is the same freaking shoe, bro. Now I promise I'm not trying to freaking show off, but yes, I brought the off-whites out. And here are the actual UNCs, the powder blues. And here are these Dunks. Now, yeah, the powder blue is a little bit lighter, but then you got the Dunk, which is a little bit darker, you know what I mean? This is a little bit lighter. It is the powder blue. This is a laser blue. It's a small shade of a difference, bro. But the price difference is just insane. You're gonna be paying so much money for these when you could get this for under 200 bucks, bro. I believe these are going for like $700 to 150 bucks right here, man, on the resale market. All right, so what would you rather have? Would you rather pay $700-800 bucks for this shoe? Maybe they go for more now, or get this cheaper alternative. Now I know it's not the exact same model. It might be a little bit chunkier, a little bit bulkier, but dude, $2,000, $200 the most right now. Trust me, guys, it's not all about the hype, bro. Either way, like, the colorway is amazing. I think the colorway is nice, and the color blocking is dope. I like the UNC Jordan 1s, but at the same time, it's only because of the colorway. It's not really because of the UNC. I don't even care about the college. I just like the colorway. That's it. I like the colorway. I like how it pops. These things are head turners. I wore them, and a lot of people are just looking and staring at them, bro. And I think these things make the whole outfit. So if you guys are in the market for these, dude, I'm telling you, just don't even think about the hype, bro. There's a small shade of a color difference, and if anything, it looks the same in the shadow or walking around. It's almost the same color blocking, bro. I mean, it is the same color blocking, but it's almost the same shade of color. So it's just a little bit more of a, I guess this is like a darker-ish blue, and this is more of that powder blue. Is what it is. But you guys let me know what you guys think about these here. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you guys are going to be picking these up. I will do a on feet on these shoes, and I'll probably be like a separate video, kind of a more detailed look on them. This was more just a kind of like a little early video, and then I'll do a on feet on those, and y'all let me know how y'all feel about them. But yeah, man, I appreciate all your guys' love and support to this channel. It is a small channel, and it started that way, and it stayed that way. We've been on here for about, I'm going on 3 years in July. But yeah, man, hit that like button so I get motivated and dropping content for you guys. I got a couple videos that I've already made, and I've already edited them. So if you see me with long hair, that's because those videos I made them a long time ago. I just haven't had the motivation to really drop much videos, and I've been busy. I've been trying to hit the gym, trying to get in shape, bro. It's that summertime, and not only that, but my health wise, I want to be in good health, man. You know, I'm 30 years old now. As you guys can tell, the hair ain't looking the same as it used to. But it is what it is, man. We all gotta grow up, and we all get old together, and you know, and we get to enjoy all these beautiful sneakers that you know, I mean, passion's passion, bro. What can I say, man? It's your boy Jay Hernandez. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for the love and support on this channel. Like I said again, I'm out of here. I gotta get out of here, bro. I keep repeating myself. Hasta luego, saludos. On to the next video. Peace.